Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Sagar. I'm the principal consultant and founder of Sparxsys Solutions. We are an Atlassian consultancy company based out of London and Delhi. Now, Guide to Start Your Atlassian Career course has been designed to help you get started with your journey into Atlassian ecosystem. If you're wondering whether learning Atlassian tools like Jira, Confluence, Bitbucket could help you or not, then this course is for you. Whether you are a developer or a scrum master or a project manager, or maybe you are a fresh college graduate, learning Jira can definitely help you along with other Atlassian tools. In this course, we will take a look at various target roles and also try to understand the structured learning path that you should follow. Also in this course, we will try to answer various common questions that people normally have when they think of learning Jira or other Atlassian tools. So this course is a free course and I hope you enjoy taking this course. Thank you very much.